Animals move, behave, and live the way they do because of how their bodies are built. Claws, shells, hooves, teeth, gills? None of these exist by accident. Every physical trait is a response to something. How an animal moves through its environment, how it finds food, how it protects itself. In this video, we're looking at familiar animals and asking why their bodies work the way they do. Not in terms of personality or preference, but structure and function. Claws are tools that animals evolved for survival. In cats and dogs, claws help with movement, grip, and interaction with their environment. They provide traction when running, climbing, or stopping quickly. Cats use claws for climbing, catching prey, and defending themselves. Their claws are retractable, which keeps them sharp when not in use. Dogs, on the other hand, use claws mainly for stability and digging, and their claws stay visible all the time. Claws are also connected to nerves, which is why they're sensitive. They're not just hard coverings, but living structures tied into the body. So claws aren't accessories. They're built-in tools that support balance, movement, and survival. Tortoises move slowly because their bodies are built for protection, not speed. Their heavy shells provide safety from predators but add significant weight. Their legs are thick and sturdy, designed to support that weight rather than move quickly. Tortoises also have a slow metabolism, which means they conserve energy instead of burning it rapidly. Moving slowly helps them survive in environments where food may be scarce. By conserving energy, they can go long periods without eating. So a tortoise's slow pace isn't a weakness. It's a strategy that prioritizes endurance and protection over speed. In the wild, this slow, steady approach allows tortoises to live surprisingly long lives. Hamsters are nocturnal, which means they're most active at night. In the wild, nighttime activity helps them avoid predators and extreme daytime heat. When the lights go out, hamsters wake up. They run, chew, dig, and explore. These behaviors are natural and necessary for their physical and mental health. Chewing keeps their teeth from growing too long, while running helps release stored energy. In a quiet home, these normal behaviors can sound surprisingly loud. So hamsters aren't misbehaving at night. They're simply following a body clock shaped by evolution. Their nighttime noise is a sign of activity and health, not stress or restlessness. Fish have gills because they live in water and need a way to extract oxygen from it. Water contains dissolved oxygen, but it's much harder to access than oxygen in air. As water flows over the gills, oxygen moves from the water into the fish's blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide moves out. This exchange allows fish to breathe underwater. Gills work efficiently in water but collapse in air, which is why most fish can't survive outside their environment. So gills aren't a lesser version of lungs. They're specialized organs perfectly suited to life underwater. This adaptation is what allows fish to live in environments where lungs wouldn't work at all. There are so many kinds of dogs because humans selectively bred them over thousands of years. Early humans chose dogs with certain traits such as size, strength, speed, or temperament. Over generations, these choices shaped dogs into breeds suited for specific tasks like hunting, herding, guarding, or companionship. Physical traits changed along with behavior. This process happened much faster than natural evolution because humans actively guided it. So dog diversity isn't accidental. It's the result of long-term human influence shaping one species into many forms. Despite their differences, all dogs still belong to the same species. Gerbils chew cardboard because their teeth never stop growing. Chewing helps wear their teeth down to a healthy length. In the wild, gerbils gnaw on roots, seeds, and tough plant material. Cardboard mimics these textures and gives them something safe to chew. Chewing is also mentally stimulating. It helps reduce boredom and supports natural behaviors. So cardboard chewing isn't destructive behavior. It's necessary maintenance for a gerbil's teeth and well-being. Without enough chewing, their teeth can grow too long and cause health problems. Horses don't always need shoes. Shoes are used when a horse's hooves wear down faster than they can grow back. In natural conditions, hooves wear and grow at a balanced rate. But domesticated horses often walk on hard surfaces or carry extra weight, which increases wear. Shoes help protect hooves, improve traction, and support certain movements. However, not every horse requires them, and the decision depends on activity and environment. So, horseshoes aren't automatic. They're a tool used when conditions demand extra protection. This is why hoof care decisions are usually tailored to each individual horse. What animals can do is shaped by what their bodies allow them to do. Speed, strength, slowness, sensitivity, all of it comes from anatomy working with environment. Each trait solves a specific problem refined over time. When we stop judging animals by human standards and start looking at how their bodies actually function, we begin to understand them more clearly and treat them more appropriately.